we came back with another interesting video, which is digital turbidity sensor, and the model number AS2070D, measuring range 0 to 20 NTU, and the output RS485. So here we have the follicular trough, and this is the sample unit. Basically, we tell it as measuring box, where inside we have this is the sensor part, where it sensors the amount of light scattered due to the presence of suspended particles in the unknown solution. And this is the controller, where the analog signal get converted into digital in terms of RS485 communication has been given by giving the supply of 5 volt supply has been given to get the analog output. And this is the digital display unit. Here we got 0.36 NTU, as I have told, because of our unknown solution turbidity. In our unknown solution, the turbidity is 0.36 NTU. The turbidity measurement is like the cloudier the water, the higher the turbidity will be. So it is not the measure of actual particles in the water. So what causes turbidity actually? It is caused by the water, like in the particles in the water that may not be visible on their own, but we can see them in terms of clustered particle. If they are clustered together, it can be visible. So why we measure turbidity? The primary one is to gauge its cleanliness. See, if the water is clean, we'll get good, our health will be good in condition. So we can basically connect this to the health reasons also. If we left untreated, if you are not using any turbidity sensor for drinking water, potable water, or any water, that will be offering a haven for the bacteria to grow in the particular solution, particular sample solution, or whatever it is. So high turbidity can cause the waterborne diseases also. So turbidity measurement is very important. We are just starting a sample flow. So let us measure the turbidity of unknown solution. So we are just pouring the unknown solution into the filter part. This is follicular trough. This is the sample unit, as I have told. The sample flow through the sample unit, where the sample turbidity is measured. So for now, as of now, we have used the unknown solution as the sample. It gets into this sample unit, and here we have the sensor, and this is the control unit. Conditioning unit. The measurement principle is right angle scattering method. That is, it measures the intensity of light scattered in 90 degree to the incident beam. So as I have told, it measured in NTU, that is nephelometric measurement. The measurement range is 0 to 20 NTU for this particular turbidity sensor. So to put in a simple word, it's like if the water is more turbid, like we have given the sample solution as water, this is the inlet pipe. If the water is more turbid, the light will scatter more. The water, the unknown solution, enter into this sampling unit. Here we have the sensor. The sensor will sense the amount of light scattered from the suspended material which is present in the unknown solution. That may be of anything, maybe proteins, minerals, any organisms, maybe algae also. It depends. So it detects it and it gives the output in terms of the analog signal. Here we have this is digital turbidity sensor. Here we have inbuilt RS485, where it gives the digital output. That output will be displayed in this analyzer. This is the display unit. So as of now, here we can show so this is the NTU measurement of our unknown solution, 0.37 NTU. 5 volt supply has been given to get the analog supply. And here we'll get the display of the measured turbidity of that unknown solution is 0.7 NTU. This is just a sample measurement. I have told that the turbidity is measured in NTU. This is the turbidity measurement in a suspended, like the water. If you are, what is the media given? In there, if there is any suspended particle, it measures in terms of turbidity. That is NTU. And here we have the menus, very easy menus. This is escape, enter, and down arrow. This is the shifting. So in case if you want to enter into menu, just click the menu. Yeah, here we have the measurement, calibration, alarm, current setting, communication system. In case if you want to change the alarm setting, just if you want to enter into the particular menu, just give enter. You have relay 1, relay 2. For relay 1, click enter. We have channel, alarm mode, limit value and hysteresis. By the same way, for the relay 2 also, you have to give the values. You can just set the values for relay 2. See the same thing. To enter into the particular menu, just give enter. To go back to the previous menu, you can give escape. Whatever the function you are in the same position, you can go to the escape menu. The same thing for the relay 1 we have seen. Just give escape. Escape. You can get into the main menu. Thanks for watching our video. We'll come back with another interesting video soon. Thank you.